In the name of Allah, good morning grade 4, how are you? Hope that you are spending a great time. Today, we will complete our distance learning English language for your curriculum, Cambridge Global English. Welcome all. First thing, we should start with our aims for today. Today we will listen and decide what is true or false. And number 2, to read for specific information. Let's start. Please, my best students ever, go to page 124 in our learner's book and exercise 1 lesson. And as usual, before we listen, we should read our questions carefully. Listen and decide what is true or false. Number 1, there has been a hurricane today. Is that true or false? We will listen and see, okay? Number 2, the reporter is talking to a man. Number 3, Mrs. Robinson's house has been destroyed by the tornado. Number 4, Mrs. Robinson's car is all right. Number 5, Mr. Robinson was in the house when it was blown away. Number 6, Mrs. Robinson thinks that the reporter is funny. We are going to listen now, and please listen carefully. Write your answer. Is the sentence true or false? Decide, please.
There has been a terrible tornado in Littletown today. Winds are still high, but people are starting to come back to their houses, or in some cases, what's left of their houses. Here is one homeowner. Hello, Mrs. Robinson. What has happened to your house?
What house? Everything is gone. I've got nothing left. It's terrible.
You seem very upset. You look pale and exhausted.
Yes, well, my house is just blown away. It's not a normal day, is it?
What about your car?
Well, you're standing on what's left of my car. Everything else has disappeared.
What about your family? Where are they?
Well, that's a strange thing. You see, my husband has got an unusual hobby. He's a tornado chaser. He loves tornadoes. So he's out in his truck chasing the tornado that's completely destroyed my house.
Isn't that funny?
No, it's not funny. It's ridiculous.
Okay, what sentences are true and
Track
what
49.
what are the false ones? No need for listening. 49 now. And we will go to exercise 3. After you finish the other one, the previous exercise write true or false for each one. You can listen twice or more if you need. Stop the video, listen to the audio, then answer your questions. Now, number 3, exercise 3. Exercise 3, vocabulary. Look at the words. Write homophone. You remember what is the meaning of homophone? Homophone means another word in different letters but same pronunciation. I want another word like number 1, for example, 8. I want another word is pronounced 8, but we write it in a different way. Okay? Then make a table. Column 1 and column 2, A and B, or the word and its homophone. Okay? You can write here vocabulary, here homophone, and start to write them. Number 1, 8. I want another word is pronounced 8, but different way of writing the word. Okay? Also, which, also sight, your, and flower, new, nose, wood, tail. Please go to page 125, exercise 4. Read and choose the correct word. A Tasmanian devil has been stolen from the zoo. The zookeeper noticed Lucifer was missing at 3 o'clock this afternoon. Visitors to the zoo noticed no one, anyone, someone running out of the exit with a large bag. 2, 4, since or when. Then there have been researches going on with over 2,000, 2 million or 200 volunteers. The main habitat of the Tasmanian devil is on the island of Tasmania, where they have lived or live. 5. For since or when, thousands of years. They probably became extinct in Australia about 3,000, 30,000, 3 million years ago. They like a mild climate and dry forests. Tasmanian devils are small animals with round bodies, fat tails and pointed noses. In spite of their shape, they have been protected since 1941. 7. Anyone, anything, or no one who steals a Tasmanian devil is asking for trouble, said the zookeeper. They can be very vicious. And have a horrible shriek. Worst of all, they smell really bad. 8. Nobody, everyone, someone can stand that for long. Okay, please choose your correct answer. Only have a copy of your book and send me in WhatsApp to check it for you. Okay, only underline the word, the correct word. Read and underline the correct word. Read and choose the correct word. Thank you, grade 4. You're really fabulous students. Love you so much. Hope you all the best. Thanks again. Bye.